crisis management system for COVID-19 pandemic and other such calamities. The proposal was submitted to the Samadhan. We are selected for round 1. Our team number is 118. The absence of the interactive platform between requester and response provider leads to improper management, especially during the pandemic situation. Therefore, the single platform is highly required for pandemic situation management. This system basically based on the 4 component: smartphone, GIS, machine learning, and map server, wherein 3 important blocks are requester, request handler, and response handler. So requester send the request to request handler. GIS machine learning plays and process this mechanism, and supporting the send the request to request team management send the response to the responsible handler. Responsible handler analyze and send it back to the request handler, and request handler to the requester. Example: food relief by the NGO. Then review recent donation community to community services. This is importantly basically based on 3 important blocks: data set and collection, geoprocessing, machine learning through real-time request and response management framework. So mapping of the geotagging facilities has been developed by the web-based and the Android application in our research family by our research group. One of the request managers under this particular system based on the Google, Firebase, and cloud technology. We have developed this particular system, and one of the example is the safest short route for ambulance between point A to point B. We have done some case studies on the basis of the data COVID-19 infected zone in Aurangabad city, specifically GIS layers provided the Municipal Corporation of Aurangabad. Another example that is for the donation system, proposed application and system for the donation manager. Awareness manager is an AI-based program, and basically it helps to the health tips, emergency alert, government norms, notification regarding the closures especially during the crisis, government video messages, and motivational videos. So these are the important 4 components of this particular proposed system. Work on the machine learning, pandemic crisis management, prediction, detection, response, and recovery. This system gives you the overall scenario analysis about this particular management component. So we hope that this system, proposed system, will technically and operationally feasible, and it is basically based on open source technology. It is interactive voice response IVR system and web-based GIS Android-based application. Hence, relief can be reached toward the last person that we hope under this proposed system. Thank you.